I feel like lunchboxes need to be so cool. Today, it's all about lunchboxes. Hey there, it's Kathleen the Allergy Chef. I'm so glad you guys are here today. We are talking about lunches. Now, in case you don't know, we've got this awesome lunchbox cookbook, and there's me on the back with my respirator, because if you know my story, you know I can't leave home without it. This book is perhaps one of the coolest books ever, but we're not going to talk about the book today. Today, it's all about lunchboxes. I feel like lunchboxes need to be so cool. I don't know about you guys, but I had some really cool lunchboxes as a kid growing up, and there's this sense of pride, like, look how cool I am. So make sure your kid has a lunchbox that they absolutely adore. Have them help pick it out, or maybe if you end up with something that's a bit metal, let them draw on it and make their own designs, because lunchboxes need to be cool. Now, I'll show you guys first up the brand PlanetBox. They have so many options. You can get this great pack, and it's insulated, and it holds both this unit and the smaller original unit. Let me show you guys the inside. So this is the inside, and usually you put a little treat here, and then you've got all of these other areas. This spot is amazing for kebabs, things on sticks like fruit, because let's be honest, food on a stick tastes better. Then there's the larger unit, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So three much larger compartments. So I'll show them to you guys side by side. This is what they look like. I feel like this one's really great for little kids. Lots more variety. Now, they also sell this unit. It's a glass canister, and it can sit right inside of this spot here. Or alternatively, you can put other items here and take this separately. PlanetBox also has this really cute circular piece. They have little grooves. This piece can go here, and these are great for dipping. I kind of like going like this with them. I think they're very enjoyable. Now, this is a smaller unit from PlanetBox. Absolutely great for snacks. So let's say you have a kid who goes to an after-school activity. You pack their lunch in the main PlanetBox container, and then you can give them a really great nutritious snack that's safe for them right here. I will tell you this, that they're dishwasher safe, which is one of my favorite features. If you're not ready to invest in something like a PlanetBox, because they are pretty pricey, this is just your standard insulated old school lunchbox. These are great because they come in lots of different colors, and you can use a canvas marker and let your kiddo decorate it and make it special. They hold lots of things. Very, very easy. With something like this, if it were to get lost, left on a bus, etc., you wouldn't feel bad. I think these are about $9.99. If your kid left this on the bus, whoo, you would not be pleased. I know I wouldn't, not at that price tag. So definitely know your kid and what they're capable of. Now, this is another great set. I feel like these are good for older kids and adults. It comes apart, and there's multiple levels. So you can put a nice big something here, or like some sushi rolls, you know, whatever floats your boat. And then they've got this separate container. So maybe you have like a dip here and some veggies here, and the lid goes on. With this unit, you have to use all the compartments, or this top piece won't close properly. And the same is true of this one. This is really great for circular style things, yogurt, salads, lids. Also be aware of how much strength it takes to pull lids off and put them on properly, because I would not give this particular style to a kindergartner. I feel like your child would either require help every day or struggle every day to get the lid off. But on the flip side, it just goes to show the lid won't come off and spill all your goodies. Now, this lunchbox really is designed for adults. It's all about portion control, and this is made by Bentology. This has a very unique design. The lids are set up for portion. They want you to put a serving of fruit here, and they want you to have a serving of vegetables in this container. And they've got a cute little design on top so you don't forget. And then you have two open containers for other things. And then you've got this side piece for like utensils or just something really long. But what makes it different is their whole point is all about helping you reportion for your needs. So if you're struggling with portion control, or maybe you just want to revamp your diet, Bentology Box is a great option for adults. Bentgo makes, and these are two different companies, makes a great kids box. This comes in multiple colors. You can see compared to like a PlanetBox, you can see the size is totally different. Okay. This is considerably smaller. It is very insulated. So the PlanetBoxes, they're just like metal containers. This has full-on insulation here, and great for snacks, great for little kids. The only downside, to be quite honest with you guys, a little kid may not be able to get all the way in there with their fingers. So something to think about. One of the best investments you can make as an allergy parent, or just really any parent who packs lunches, super cute cutters. Oh my goodness, they're like all the rage. This and really fun toothpicks, you guys can make your kids' lunches so much fun. So we just have a basic set. We've got a dolphin, a penguin, I think that's a dog, and it's just really basic. And you can use it with fruit, or you can get larger ones for sandwiches. I've seen some radical sandwiches like unicorns, Star Wars, dinosaurs, the coolest sandwiches ever. Definitely invest in some great cutters, especially if you're going to be packing on a daily basis and you have a little kid, or you have a kid who's newly diagnosed and you really want them to feel that extra lunchbox love. Now, this is not necessarily for a kid's lunch, but this Titan, I just had to share it with you guys. It has a basket on top. It's fully insulated. And this is what it looks like inside. This is really great if you have a child going away for a day trip or an overnight trip, or maybe they have, I don't know, a soccer tournament after school. Whatever the case is, this is an amazing unit. We traveled with it, had ice in it. It kept items frozen for 2 days. It was amazing. So I really like this for a little bit of longer travel. All in all, lunch boxes galore. There's so many great things to choose from, and I'm sure no matter what you choose, your kids are going to love your lunches. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys leave us a comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.